With this simple modification, there is a way to positively lock the slider rod in place, so no matter what, your foot pegs won't move. These are the tools and supplies you'll need. For clarity, we are showing this procedure with the foot peg assembly removed, but you can easily do it with the foot braces left in the boat. First, locate the patent number on the rear cover of the assembly. Drill a 15/64 inch hole in the center of the loop of the number 9. Only drill through the first layer of the cover. Now thread the 1/4 inch screw into the hole and tighten. The screw will keep the slider bar from releasing the foot peg. Simply remove the screw to readjust. Repeat this procedure on the other side, and you're done.